Hey, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm back with another video. Yeah, so I'm about to do Amazon unboxing today. So, I just came back so today is, what's the day say? I literally just got back home from Audrey's swimming. Right now, she goes swimming today, Saturday. So today is July 15th. And it's Saturday. It's such a rainy day today. Like, it's so rainy. Funny, this was my sister. She got me a book. My sister ended up buying me this daily affirmation book too, but it was left in the mailbox. So I'ma just it was a book called The Positive Minds. So I'm gonna put the book right here. And she got me that too. I think it was like 20 bucks or whatever. So it's just a book, you know, for motivation. So this, I'm gonna basically do a quick unboxing. This was literally the stuff I bought on Prime Day, which was July 11th and 12th. Was it 11 and 12? I think, yeah. So Amazon Prime Day was July 11th and 12th. And these was a couple of stuff I got. And I'm going to also put the links down below. So if y'all interested in buying, I'll put my Amazon like link too. And you guys could like get some of the stuff. So I'm going to unbox this right now. I'm so excited. So I bought these. These are so freaking cute. So these lashes here, they literally, when I put them on, like right now I'm lashless or whatever, but I've got a bare face right now going on. Let me take this off because I just literally got home. And what's it called? These lashes right here, they are so freaking bomb. Like literally, like you put them on and people be like, damn, where you got your lashes done from? They literally look like D-curl lash extensions, and it brings 14 pairs for literally probably like $9, $10. I'm gonna link them all down below, and they'll be on my Amazon thing too. You gotta get these. These are bomb. Then I bought some prenatal multivitamins. So these are like probiotics too as well. I'm gonna link it down below. And it has, you know, it's for the digestive support for mom and probiotics. It got ginger extract and vitamin B6 too, and it's good for babies. So if you still breastfeed like I do, I breastfeed but mostly at nighttime. I do formula as well. Then it's good for after the baby, and all you have to do is take one. And this was, it was cheap as hell. I got it on Prime Day. It was like on sale, but you guys could get it too after. I ended up also getting another like vitamin. These are actually gummies. The other ones were like tablets. This is like, it's called, from Mommy Bliss, it's called Lift My Mood Postnatal Support. It got the ashwagandha. I can't say it right, but you guys know what I mean. So this one, I always wanted to try that. That's supposed to relax your mood and everything like that. And it's for breastfeeding moms. So I was like, ooh, let me try this, because I always wanted to try it. It's supposed to balance your mood and, you know, not stress. So that's why I got this. I'm going to try this out. I also got me a new tripod for my camera. So I'm supposed to be going out of town for my birthday, and I want to vlog that. And yeah, I got it for my new camera, because I got a tripod here too in front of me, which is actually on my Amazon link too. And it was cheap. It was like a couple, but I used that one. I use it for my camera if I'm gonna stand it somewhere, or I use it for my phone with the little clicker to take pictures with like my family if nobody's around. So this one I got it too on Prime Day, and it was a good deal. And then I got this, the Laneige. Damn, I can't say it right, but I'm gonna link it down below. It's like a lip sleeping mask, so you put it on to like hydrate your lips. Girl, sometimes I wake up, I gotta drink like a gallon of water in the morning, and like midnight and stuff. 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm like sipping on water. My lips be feeling dry, so I'm like, let me buy this. And then I got these. I don't really get pimples like that, but it's like the little sticker patches that you put on or whatever, and then you can always refill it. So it comes with 32 stars on it. And then it comes in a little cute little thing So apply the clean dry flakes, leave on overnight or 6+ hours for best result. Lift off in the morning and replace with a new start if you want. So yeah, it has like something like basically you could put on a pimple and leave it there and stuff like that. So sometimes I get them pimples if I'm about to get my period, or if I'm PMSing like before, I'll get that 1 or 2 pimple that I'm like, oh hell no, like I'd rather put a yellow star on it, and yellow is my favorite color, so I got it. And I also got the Laneige like water bank blue hyaluronic cream. It's like a moisturizer. So I'm like, I love, like, my skin is like, I literally don't have nothing on my skin right now, but I'm like, yo, sometimes I need a little bit of hydration. I wanted a good cream, and I think this typically is 40 something bucks. I got it on Prime for like 28 bucks or something like that. So I'm gonna still link it down below. You guys could get it too. And I also got Good Molecules. I got their Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel too, because sometimes I got like little dark circles. You probably can't tell, but my eyes don't be sleeping like that because Anaya be having me up all day, every day. So I got this, and this is supposed to be like this. And it's supposed to be like organic too. Made out of, it's not made out of any like harsh chemicals or anything like that. So I got it just to try it under my eyes. And I also got the fake Bottega earrings. So I got the Bottega earrings, the fake Bottega earrings that everybody been talking about on TikTok and stuff like that. And I was like, girl, I got it for a good deal too. Like, ooh. Look how cute are these. They're like this. So I'm gonna link it down below for you guys to see it. So usually put it right here. Let's see. So it'd be cute with a cute dress, a cute crop top, something on vacation. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Y'all gonna see my vacation videos and y'all gonna be like, ooh, I wanna be there. So yes, that's exactly what I got off of Amazon on Prime Day. And then I want to unbox my new Lorvaes. I'm so excited because I'm gonna take these on vacation too as well, and I cannot wait. Ooh, I'm excited. Look, so it says fashionably shading you. Okay, girl. Look, this is the new collection. I got these, the red ones. This is so cute. I wanted the orange ones too, but I was like, so far I got the first ones. I think I got New Era, and then I got the blue ones with the yellow, I think, in the inside, or the light tint shades. But I was like, well, I love all her shades. Like, that's one of my favorite YouTubers. So I was like, let me support. Oh, I feel like I'm about to break the box. So it comes like this. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It comes with a little duster to clean your shades. I can't wait to wear these on vacation. I already know they about to be it. Ooh, girl. Who this? Hello. I got new shades. Oh my God, girl, these are so cute. These are like so me. Like, hello. Yes, I'm on vacay. What's good? I love these. These are too cute. Oh my God, I love them. These are gonna be like my new favorite, for real. The other ones, like my favorite, are the blue ones. Those are so hot. But these, baby, ooh, with a white bathing suit or like a yellow bathing suit, and then these popping. I love them. These are so cute. I just love all her shades. It gives like summer vibes. Like I'm in Miami.
I'm out here in Miami.
Looking for a hoochie daddy.
Looking for the sugar daddy.
These are so cute. But yes. Ooh, these are given. I love them. But yes, thank you for watching my video. This was a quick unboxing of stuff that I literally bought over the weekend. I'm still waiting on like my Shane order. Sheen, whatever you call it. Yeah, man. Y'all heard about the whole Rico case? I'm thinking Rico cases are like when it's something like with drugs or something. I guess they've been they tell me I bought 300 and something worth of stuff, and they behind still ain't shipped my yet. I need my stuff. Sheen. Okay? I need it for vacay, which is in literally less than 2 weeks. And ooh, I can't wait to get my hair done. It's about to be lit. I can't wait. I'm literally gonna do another video too. And thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep these videos going. Love y'all. Take care and thanks for watching my video.